G'day,
G'day,
I'm Kim.
and I'm Steve.
We're from Perth, Western Australia.
We've been together since 2005 and married for more than 10 years. You'll hopefully get to know us along the way.
We have travelled to different parts of the world: Germany, France, Italy, Spain, the UK, and Southeast Asia. We scuba dive together in all sorts of different places. We also work out together, as you can see, and we love our dress-ups.
Together we have 3 gorgeous adult daughters. They are off doing their own thing, so we are too. In 2019 we sold all of our stuff and bought a boat in Greece.
We farewelled family and friends and set off on our adventure.
It took us more than 24 hours to reach our destination. We were both very excited to get on board and start preparing for her launch.
Meet Mimpi. She's a 1994 Moody 38, and Mimpi means dream in Malay.
Good morning.
Morning.
It's 5:30 in the morning.
And we can't sleep.
Well, someone's been awake a few times in the night,
Just too excited.
but I'm still in bed and you've been wandering around our little house.
We love our little house.
Well, and we're finding out all the nooks and crannies and
Lots of stuff.
things that we can't find.
So it's about 8:30 in the morning here now. I've ventured outside and listen to the chorus. It's about 15 knots, but check this out. Listen to the chorus, the noise. It's very pretty. Oh my God. Who did that? A very pretty view in Preveza, and our next job is to put up the Genoa, which I've sped up. Took a little bit of time and effort. That was actually quite good fun. Didn't sail anywhere, of course, but it was good fun. And now it looks like there's some rain on the way. We're spending some time in the rain right now. We are trying to put the chain on because we're launching tomorrow. I think I've got my raincoat, but my feet are getting a bit soggy. Steve's gone sure something's switched on, and I'm holding the rope that is attached to the chain, which is the rest of it's down on the ground, and somehow we have to feed it into the boat, into the chain locker. The things you learn. I already broke the stick. To the anchor. Is it twist? It's alright. It's turning.
Yeah, and you don't want it to turn, just pull it. Stop. Right, now it's not going to lift because you don't have any momentum. So, drop it.
From there?
Try again here. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. Make sure you want you to stop. And there's a pin. You see there's a pin? Go forward. A bit more. A bit more.
important pin. Supposed to go all the way through, yeah?
Yeah.
Not quite.
All the way through to the other cheek on the other side.
Yeah, I need to let it down slightly. We'll get it. Couple of happy chappies, but no rest. There's more work to do. Okay, so my next job is actually to be dragging some chain down to the bin. That's all the way down there. And there's the chain that I'm going to drag. It's about 45 metres worth. Let's see how I go. Oh, probably going to be sore tomorrow. Here we go. Well, I needed a little bit of warming up. I'm halfway there. Dragging the chain to the bin. Yay. Chain dragging done. Mind you, my hand's got a good little workout. Chain 0, Kim 1. Thank you very much. Well, that was a very satisfying day, full of lots of jobs, so that we are all ready for launch tomorrow. Very happy we are. Morning.
Hello.
It's launch day here.
Yep.
You're just marking, what are you doing?
Marking the centre of the wheel.
Very good idea, so we know which way we're going straight. And it's coming up to 10 to 8. We've still got a beautiful sunrise. So we're all ready, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's launch day.
Yep.
And we're just waiting for a big trailer thing to arrive so that we can
Pick the boat up.
pick the boat up and put it in the water.
Yep.
Here they are with their special little trailer. All the bits and pieces get put onto Mimpi so she's nice and safe. She picks her up and off she goes. Whoop, better catch up, don't want to be left behind. Then this big cradle thing, put the slings on, pick her up, off she goes. Whoop. There she is, having a little wiggle in the sling, getting herself ready before she gets slowly placed into the water. Very cool to watch. These guys are quite serious, but they do this every day, or most days during summer anyway. We're the only boat booked in today, but it's amazing to watch them. They're very skilled, they're very precise, they've got all their systems. It's cool to watch. Hear that noise? She's going in. Dive, dive, dive. Very excited and nervous. Hopefully she won't sink. What a horrible thing to say. I apologise. Is that bad luck to say that? Oh my goodness. There you have it. A minute to actually lower her in. Okay, I think they've still got the straps on. Ah, nervous and excited sailors here. She's in the water. Honey gets. He's a happy boy.
Captain on board.
You need to make that little noise. Steve has his sexy life jacket on, and with cup of tea in hand, we leave Preveza and we motored towards Lefkas. Yay! Guess what? We're on the water! And Steve put me in charge of steering. And I've taught him how to use the camera so he can do videos. I'm aiming for that fluffy hill over there. Happy dance! We're motoring, as you can tell by the noise. I think there's enough that we have to deal with today. is Steve's. Red.
Okay.
Very exciting. From there we motored into Lefkas Marina, and Steve did an amazing job reverse parking safely in the marina. His first time ever, and I was so impressed. He enjoyed a much deserved ouzo with dinner. Thanks for joining us as we get to know Mimpi. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.